Okay. Welcome grade 12s, teachers and learners, and anyone who's very interested in the knowledge of physical sciences. Today let's focus on chemical properties. One of the easiest sections in organic molecules in a normal question paper is question number 4. There are 5 reactions that we need to know in this section. Let's just, without any waste of time, talk about the first one, which is oxidation. Oxidation, others they call it combustion. In this combustion reaction, remember, an organic molecule will react with oxygen and produces, in our case, only carbon dioxide and water in this case. So we are not dealing with incomplete combustion, we are dealing with only this complete combustion where oxygen is in excess. What you need to know is, firstly, 2 things about this part: balancing oxidation reactions, and then the second one will be about just knowing that an oxidation reaction is exothermic. Fine. Let's make 1 or 2 examples on balancing. If we have got propane that is burnt in air and then produces carbon dioxide and water, if you balance, there's the easiest method. We always put 2 here and then take the number of hydrogens to be the coefficient of water, and then this is step number 1. Number 2 and number 3, now balance the carbons. 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6. This is step number 3. And then the last one will be balancing oxygens. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 12 plus 8, 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then that's it. Let's take another example where hexane is involved. Hexane is C6H14 with oxygen and forming carbon dioxide and water. Using the very same method again, just put 2 here. We normally say don't think, just put 2. Take the number of hydrogens to be the coefficient of water, and then the third step, balance the carbons. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Write the 12 in front of carbon dioxide to be the coefficient there, and then the last one, leave oxygen to the last. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, plus 14 is 38. Divide by 2 becomes 19. That's it. So in your case, you can balance for me C8H18, which is octane. When it's burnt in air, then it will produce carbon dioxide and water. So fine, then you can balance that one using the same approach. That's the first reaction. The second reaction in this case, let's go to the one that we have already dealt with. Remember, we dealt with 9 homologous series. This reaction is called esterification. Esterification, those who know chemistry, they even refer it as condensation. Condensation. Why condensation? Is because the byproduct there is water. Very important about esterification. Remember, esterification is formed from the reaction of when alcohol react with carboxylic acid, it will produce an ester plus water. Remember? Oh, fine. One thing about esters, you must know that they've got pleasant smell, because they can ask you this question. They've got pleasant smell. That's why they make use of esters to be flavorants in some cases. And esterification has got these 2 reaction conditions, very important. We need concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a catalyst, and we need to heat, gentle heat in there, or just write heat is fine. That is the esterification, very important with